Hello, I'm Paul Badham. I'm a Chartered Building Surveyor, RICS Registered Expert Witness, and I am an Associate Director at Harris & Clark Chartered Surveyors. Today we're going to be talking about the declaration and statement of truth in our Expert Witness reports. This is a written confirmation at the end of our report that we, as expert witnesses, sign and verify to the tribunal. The confirmation covers several points and highlights the importance of acting in accordance with the civil procedure rules. The requirements for statements of truth can differ between jurisdictions and tribunals. However, an example is set out in the civil procedure rules. The RICS requires specific wording and a statement of truth, which must be adopted by all chartered surveyors acting in the capacity of an expert witness. The wording of the statement is that I confirm that I have made clear which facts and matters referred to in this report are within my own knowledge and which are not. Those that are within my own knowledge I confirm to be true. The opinions I have expressed represent my true and complete professional opinions on the matters to which they refer. I understand that proceedings for contempt of court may be brought against anyone who makes or causes to be made a false statement in a document verified by a statement of truth without an honest belief in its truth. So as you can see, there can be very serious consequences for making false statements, particularly if you have declared otherwise. Firstly, it states that I confirm my report has drawn attention to all material facts which are relevant and have affected my professional opinion. This is important to show that you have not only considered all relevant material facts, but you have drawn the attention to the court the source of that information informing your opinion. Secondly, that I confirm that I understand I've complied with my duty to the relevant tribunal as an expert witness, which overrides any duty to those instructing or paying me. That I've given my evidence impartially and objectively, and that I will continue to comply with that duty as required. This affirms that you are acting impartially and free of any influence from the instructing parties, and that you're not acting as a hired gun to win the case for your instructing party. Thirdly, that I confirm that I am not instructed under any conditional or other success-based fee arrangement. This again affirms that you're acting impartially and free from any influence that may be brought about by your ability to recover costs. Fourthly, that I confirm that I have no conflict of interest. If a conflict of interest exists or may be perceived to exist between the expert and the appointing party, this could affect the weight given or the admissibility of any evidence provided. The expert must therefore declare that there is no conflict of interest or declare any relationships between the parties that may give rise to a perceived conflict. Fifthly, I confirm that I'm aware and have complied with the requirements of the rules, protocols and directions of the specific tribunal. Different tribunals have specific requirements and protocols. We've previously spoken about the importance of selecting an expert who has a knowledge and an experience of those protocols. If they do not, then signing such a statement could undermine the weight of their evidence. The sixth point is that I confirm that my report complies with the requirements of the RICS, the Royal Institution of Chartered Surveyors, as set down in the RICS practice statement, Surveyors Acting as Expert Witnesses. This affirms that not only have we complied with the rules and the requirements of the tribunal, but also the mandatory requirements of our professional body, and if found to be incorrect, could be subject to disciplinary action. As you can see, the statement of truth and declaration not only verifies to the tribunal that it has been prepared truthfully and is unbiased, but if declared falsely or to mislead the tribunal, it could have serious implications both for the surveyor and the appointing party's case. If you would like to find out more about our expert witness services, please call one of our expert surveyors at Harris & Clark on 023 81 550 051.